In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Nearpod lesson that was created in Nearpod into a format that you can use to create a Pear Deck lesson. What you will need is your Nearpod account opened up, your District Canva account also opened up. You don't have to have your Google Drive opened up, but you are going to be utilizing it. And you will need to have the Pear Deck add-on from the extension menu. Now, it's already been added for PISD staff, but just in case it hasn't, go to pisd.edu/peardeck and read more about how to get that add-on. All right, so we're going to start with Nearpod. Find the lesson that you would like to convert and hover over the lesson. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on those 3 vertical dots, and then click the Export PDF. Save the PDF to your local drive. If you save it to your Google Drive, it's one extra step, and I am here to save some steps. So click on your local drive, and this goes to your downloads most likely. Wherever you put your, however you put your downloads, that's where it's going to usually end up. Okay, so once that's done, I'm going to go to my Canva account and then upload the PDF that I just downloaded. So I'm going to choose the file. Here it is. And now it's importing into Canva. And you can see it down here if you just scroll down a little bit under your recent designs. There we go. Now it's opened up. And then from here, you're going to open up your presentation in Canva. Click on Share on the upper right-hand side. And you're going to click on Google Drive. And you can put this wherever you like. It's completely up to you. And change the file type to PPTX or a PowerPoint document. And then click Save. It's going to prepare your design. And once it's been saved, you can click on View in Google Drive. So right now it is in PowerPoint format. The way to put it in Google Drive format is to click on File and then Save as a Google slide. Now you are ready to use your presentation as a Pear Deck, because as you can see, you got a Pear Deck add-on once you convert into a Google slide. And that is how you convert your Nearpods into Pear Decks. If you have any questions, please reach out to the digital learning team, pisd.edu/DLT, and we'd be more than happy to walk you through this entire process. Thank you very much.